Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is joyriding. It means informal. The act of driving a stolen vehicle around recklessly for fun and excitement, with no intention of keeping it. Here are two examples using this word. The teenagers were arrested for joyriding after they took a car for a reckless late-night drive. The police charged him with joyriding, as he abandoned the vehicle after a short, fast drive. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are car theft, reckless driving, theft of a vehicle. Antonyms are lawful driving, careful driving, responsible ownership. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.